G'day. I've got the Elgato 4K 60 Pro capture card, so I can stream Nintendo Switch stuff. Now I'll unbox it. There's some stickers. I guess I'll use the box cutter knife. Okay, that's one side. Alright. I installed the drivers on my PC. Something fell out. I guess it's an Elgato sticker. This is the capture card. The back looks different than expected. There's some boring instructions. I guess that's to stop the PCIe slot. Something fell out. Looks like an I/O shield, but it's not a motherboard. And there's a HDMI cord. It's pretty thin. Am I supposed to remove that sticker? I mean, that one. I'll undo the HDMI cord. It's pretty long. Now I should shut down my PC. Okay, so I've removed the glass side panel from my PC. And now I'm gonna install my my capture card. Better remove this screw. I've got one of those precision screwdrivers where you can make whatever screwdriver you want. That did not sound good. You know what, I'll just install it off screen. Okay, well I've installed it into my PCIe slot, but I need to put in a screw. Would this one fit? Okay, I'll try and install it. I lost the screw. Okay, I think that's installed. Okay, it's installed, and ignore my terrible cable measurement. Oh yeah, I'd hope if the power cord was plugged in before I try and turn on my PC again. That'd probably be a good idea. Okay, it's plugged in. Now it should boot. The side panel's not on right now, but I'll put that on once I find out if it works or not. I'll put in my Nintendo Switch OLED. And it should be able to be a source in Streamlabs. It might be in display capture. Is it in video capture settings? Video capture device. Elgato virtual camera. Okay, so I put my side panel back on. I install my capture card again. The AI was making a whirling noise because it's on the side. During the process of installing my capture card, I dropped about 5 screws on the side. So that's not great. And let's ignore that. Does anyone else use an iPad Pro in a case together worth like $3,000 as a stand for the ring light? Or is that just a me thing? Okay. I'll turn on my second monitor. Wait a second. Game Capture Pro MK2, like Mark II. I'll put in my Switch OLED instead of my regular one. And hopefully once I put it in, it should appear on the screen. second. Work. Okay. Okay, yeah, so now my games for my Nintendo Switch are appearing there. I'll fix the settings and stuff in a bit. I'd normally put myself in the left corner, but I wasn't trying to hide my health. In my defense, I was playing in master mode. I had to end the stream before the Apple event started. Bye.